everyone, welcome to Veganuary Day 21.
Whoa, we got a lot going on right now.
Yes, somebody's shaving over there, we got dishes going, but we're gonna make a cake.
Oh.
Because in real time, it's Mom's birthday, yay!
Oh my goodness, I'm 59 years
5'9".
old for the first time.
Very exciting. So.
Is it?
Yes, we're gonna make a special cake today to celebrate.
I hope I'm here to see your 59.
I hope so. We are making a MacArthur Park cake.
Someone left the cake out in the rain.
That's right. This is a song that we've loved for a very, very long time, and we are finally making a MacArthur cake.
But you have to say, our absolute favorite version
Richard
is the
Harris.
Richard Harris 7-minute remix on the radio.
Dance break.
Yep.
So if you don't know what we're talking about, look it up. But it's just going to be a cake, but we're going to decorate it fun.
It's going to be representative of the cake in the song.
Yes. So the green icing flowing down. And instead of leaving it out in the rain, we're going to keep it inside. But it is snowing out.
Right.
So that's what we're doing. So we're going to take it easy today. This is a cake mix that we've used many times now. Mom even used
for your wedding.
For my wedding cake. The King Arthur gluten-free cake mix.
It's a winner every time, baby.
So good. So we're going to use that today.
You'd never know it was gluten-free. You'd think it would come from a fine bakery.
I know. It's really good.
Yeah.
It never fails. So, should I put in the wet first?
I don't think it really matters.
It doesn't matter. All right. Scissors.
Not for this cake mix. They're in...
Oh, okay. We're doing all sorts of replacements here.
Yeah.
For this cake mix, you're literally...
That's not a vegan... It's vegan... The mix is vegan.
Right. The instructions are not.
Right.
Because the instructions say you'll need 2/3 cup vegetable oil. Instead of vegetable oil, we're going to be using vegan butter.
Right. And we're only using a half a cup.
Right. We need 1 1/3 cups of water, which I think that's vegan.
Yeah.
We're going to use vegan water.
I think you might want to bump that up a little bit since we skimmed on the oil.
Sure.
It's like 1.5 maybe.
That's fine. And then it says 4 large eggs, and we're not going to use eggs. We're going to use your Just Egg dupe.
There it is.
So it's going to be...
Did we shake it up already?
No, we did not.
And this, I believe, we use, so it said 4, so that's 12. So 3/4 of a cup of Just Egg.
Okay. Wait, what's your conversion?
Isn't it 3 tablespoons per egg? So 3 times 4 is 12?
I wasn't sure if this was the same.
It's the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good to know.
Yes.
Oh, every time we make this, I have to smell it. It smells so good. So chocolatey.
Yes.
So.
Does it remind you of marriage?
No, because didn't we do vanilla?
We did both.
Oh, we did both. That's right.
We did 2 layers of vanilla and 1 of chocolate.
That's right.
Each tier was 3 layers.
Right. I'm going to be cracking out that cake in a few months.
I know!
Which is very exciting.
I just saw it as I shoved the burgers on top of it in the freezer downstairs.
Yes, we did save
it's
some.
Wrapped up like a brick.
We saved some in brick form for the 1-year anniversary, so come the end of May,
yep,
we'll be breaking that out of the freezer.
And it'll be delicious.
I think so.
I think so too.
Alright, so we have our cake mix. We're going to add in the butter.
Ooh, butter.
Where did my... Oh, here we go. I had the tiny spatula.
Oh, the tiny one.
Alright. This is the Country Crock.
Sticks.
We love it.
It's great for baking.
Yes. Yeah, we use this...
Not great for you.
No.
But I mean...
We used the crap out of this for our cookie baking
yes, we did.
This past Christmas.
Sorry, I'm trying to hold this with one hand, and this rig's heavy, man.
I don't usually use the tripod when
I prefer the tripod.
I like to just hold the camera.
The monopod.
Sorry, I just want to make sure we get all the butter.
Butter. Oh, look. If you played that cloud game, what would that look like in
From
a
this
cloud?
side, it looks like an alien.
To me, it looks like a dog standing on 2 legs with a giant Rosanna Dana wig.
Okay. We'll take it.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments what it looks like to you.
Yeah, what does it look like to you?
We'll do a little Rorschach test here.
Yeah. Dog on 2 legs with a Rosanna Dana wig. Rosanna Dana wig. I don't remember her name.
I don't know.
Sean, go through quickly. He's shaving.
Okay. And I'm going to use this
He
spatula.
Said, now go.
Sean just wants new ink in his printer.
That's all he wants. He has a few, well, that's not true.
No. I mean, at the moment, that's what he wants.
He is easy to please if you get what he wants.
If you get exactly what he wants.
Exactly. If you don't get exactly what he wants, you're going to hate life.
Yeah. All right. So that's all set.
But thankfully, he doesn't want many things.
Right. Let's do the water next.
Okay.
Actually,
I would make a little well in the middle, you know?
yeah.
That's what I would do. Oh, dog's gone.
Sorry. Maybe I should do this next and then clean out the
Yes,
water.
there you go, smarty.
You already shook this?
You're smarty pants.
cars.
I did. Shake it up.
How much did you say
already
we need?
did. 3/4 of a cup.
Okay.
You could go a whole cup. You could totally drink whole milk.
Oh, I'm gonna be honest. This does not smell good raw.
Really?
Blech.
I didn't think it smelled bad at all.
I don't think it smells good raw. But neither does just egg.
Alright, that's good.
Oh god.
Cover it up. Push into the cornfield.
And you said we're gonna do a little more water.
No, well, we did a little more just egg, so...
Okay. So just the normal amount of water.
Right. If you want to go a little scant on the water, it's fine. I mean, feel it out, you know? Mix it up. If you need to add a little more, so be it.
Well, we need
1, 2,
2, and then a little bit more.
Yes, correct.
Whoop.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, whatever. Very precise.
I know.
Precise measurements. So now we're just gonna mix it up.
Mix it up. Is there a mix it up song?
I don't know. I mean, probably, right?
Yeah, there's got to be, right?
Shake it up. The cars.
No, sorry, that's not going to work on this one, daughter.
No. Gotta do this by hand today because there is a pizza dough in the mixer.
Ooh. That's right.
Also, this is not that hard to mix, so it gotta be a waste to use the mixer on this.
Well, we need that bowl, too, for the salad later, so...
Yeah, we gotta get this going.
Yeah. All right, we'll be back.
All right, nobody needs to see this.
No. All right, now we have a third thing going on. We have the oven preheating over there as well. Sorry.
Guess we gotta be real loud. No, guess we gotta be a little louder. I don't know.
All right, well...
But we did end up adding a little bit more water because the batter was looking very thick.
3 C's.
Yeah, so we
You're
added
doing a
bit
great
more.
job.
Thank you.
Looks good.
Okay.
Right. 2 close in size pans, not
But not
exactly
quite.
the same,
Yeah.
which will add to the shabby chic of the cake.
It's gonna be a really fun cake.
It's
so-
going to be a fun cake. Not a funnel cake, but a fun cake.
Right. Maybe I should come back to this one.
I think you could go a little higher.
Okay.
All right, that's good.
Look how chocolatey delicious.
Lovely. I should have used smaller pans.
Probably. Alright, I'm gonna need a little bit of assistance getting this, so let's just
Cut here?
let's cut here.
All right. Oh, great job.
Looking good.
So this is going to go in the 350 oven now for about 25 minutes. We're going to switch it around after about 10 minutes.
You mean switch like racks?
Switch racks and turn the back, what was on the back, to the front because the fan's at the back of the oven.
Right.
And if you don't do that, the back is going to
It's not
get...
gonna be even.
Exactly. So
Alright, so we're gonna do that.
come over to the oven. Teamwork makes the dream work.
And then it'll be time for decorating after.
Oh.
In you go.
Yes.
Alrighty.
You have to say, yeah, exactly. Good job. What's going on here?
We're trying to make a cake.
We're in the weeds.
We're in the weeds because you were talking to your sister, which is awesome, but
Yeah.
we fell behind.
Well, somebody left the cake out in the snow.
Yeah.
That's the theme we're going with.
We had some grand plans,
Do some of
which
this.
are not going to happen now, but that's okay. It's not going to stack up to my reference photo.
Don't let it ruin your day. You're still a good chef.
No, I'm not. Okay, so what are we doing here?
Are we gonna make some green icing?
We should have done that already.
I know.
This is brown.
Do we not have green? Did you use it for your wedding flowers?
I think we did. I mean, we could make some.
Make a different color.
Wait, we could do blue and yellow.
Yeah.
We can make green.
Okay, well, we can make green.
We're gonna make green. We're making it happen.
I think it's a lot of fun.
I think it's fun too. Are we just putting this like in that?
Yeah, right?
Or we're gonna contaminate all that icing?
Does it matter? It's like natural food coloring.
Oh, okay.
This gel's quite thick.
Yes, it is. We're gonna make a mess.
Yellow and blue make green, right?
Hopefully. That's what we learned in art class.
Yeah.
Color theory. Okay.
Right?
Yep.
Oh,
there's green on the knife.
It's green.
Or not the knife, you know what I mean.
Uh-oh, there's yellow on the table.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
you
yellow.
speared it. This is turning into an episode of I Love Lucy.
It left a skid mark.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Make some green. The blue is not working
The blue
itself in there.
is stuck on the top of
we're gonna make it work.
Yeah.
The icing smells so good.
It does.
I can't resist some store-bought icing.
I know.
Okay, it's gonna be...
It's gonna be okay.
It's gonna be iconic. Oh, I see green, I see green.
We might need more blue because there was an awful lot of yellow in there.
Yeah, but I think you just need to work it a little bit. It's happening. Sheena, arm tattoo, it's all happening.
Yes.
There we go. Looks green to me.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's what I'm talking about.
Dreams come true.
Okay.
Look at that.
That looks really nice, actually.
All right. Now, if only we had a piping bag that I don't want to wash.
I know. The piping bag would be choice right now.
Yeah.
We should have done this with the whole...
I know.
But now we'll spread it on the top. The
Shall
white
we
is the snow.
Falling down.
Oh.
Isn't that how it is, though?
It's supposed to be like...
Around the edges?
Yeah, like on the sides. I was picturing like we pour it, like obviously we're not doing this, but like we pour it and then it like comes down the sides like a drizzle. That works too. Green icing flowing down.
Yes.
We do have some paper umbrellas from a million years ago, which are going to go on there since it's left out in the rain. So we'll put that in at the end. See, that's fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we can save the rest for St. Patrick's Day.
I would definitely eat it before then.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, oh, the green is so vibrant.
It is.
I just can't stop looking at that.
Does it look nice?
It looks really nice. The color, I mean. The cake is,
It's broke to broke.
but we're having fun.
But it was left out in the rain.
In the snow.
In the snow. Somebody's rewatching Mad Men.
My husband.
Yes.
And we were joking about that song.
The husband.
The husband.
The
Meredith.
Rumas and the nastiness.
Yes. So we have these sprinkles left over from
Last Veganuary.
last fall. It was like...
was it fall?
Because I was in the old apartment.
Oh, yes. It was the skeleton donuts or something.
Apple donuts.
Yeah.
Everybody needs to see your mouth at some point because it's insane.
Is it
She had some
really?
of the green icing and she looks insane. But it's fun. It's birthday fun. Open your mouth. I don't know if it's showing up. It's showing up as much on camera.
This is.
Yeah. So we're gonna add these sprinkles.
But we said go easy on those.
They match the color scheme
Yes.
that we're going for.
We just found out that there's a water main break, but you gotta go to the bathroom. Go now.
I don't like this.
I don't either.
All right. Well, I just want to put
Something
these
always
umbrellas.
happens on my birthday.
Yeah, that's what it seems like.
Remember the year the stove wasn't working?
Yeah. I do remember that.
Yeah.
Oh, how fun. Should I do a a different color? No.
No.
Yay!
Someone left the cake out in the snow.
I love it. I think it's great. I hope you like it too.
I love it.
Because it's all for you.
I love it. It's going to taste amazing. That's, and the thought.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Kristen was also very helpful in the
Yes.
original icing.
Yeah.
Bowie. Bowie, it's cake time for your mommy.
Oh, cake. Hungry. Give me cakes.
So let's see what you think.
I'm
I hear
just
the
gonna down
sprinkles.
something hard.
Oh no.
It's a sprinkle.
Was it like too hard?
No.
Okay.
I just wasn't expecting it because I forgot the sprinkles.
Yeah. How
do you think?
romantic. All right, one sec.
Wonderful.
You like it?
Yes.
Oh,
A
good.
plus 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 plus.
Do you feel like it was left out in the snow for hours?
No.
Just the looks,
94.
Yes.
not the taste.
Yes. Just the taste is wonderful. The looks are also very classic.
Okay, good. Well, I hope you're
Thank
having
you.
a good birthday,
I
baby Janny.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
And until next time.
Much love.